Okay, 307 na po. At tingnan po natin ang ating index. And, naku, tumaas po siya. So, from yesterday's loss of 92.93 points, ay nag-gain po siya ng 89.54. 1.3% up to finish at 6984.90. So almost 7,000 level, but not quite, no? So some 17 points below the 7,000 level. But nevertheless, this is a positive sign kahit na po magla-long holiday. Normally po pagka magla-long holiday ang exchange ay nagkakaroon po ng profit taking, but this time nagkaroon po ng increase or gain dun sa index. Yung ating market activity naman ay 66 companies declined, 100 advanced, while 52 remained unchanged. The all-share index also gained 1.11%. All our sectoral indices are up. This was led by the industrials at 2.33%. And then we will be reviewing the most active stocks, and most notable of that is CTS, which debuted today, listing date po niya ngayon, and EMPERADOR, which gained 21.97%. Mamaya tignan po natin kung bakit meron po siyang napakalaking bounce, no? So, unahin po natin si LTG, requested po ito. Okay, LTG 8.89 flat. It ended flat today. And the comparison here of the 8.89 is yesterday's close, ano? 8.89 din kasi nag-close yesterday. So it ended flat. And based on our indicators, it's still moving downwards, yung LTG, with support here at 880, no? Yung pinaka-support po natin. Or better yet, let's do a parallel channel na lang, ano? Notice parallel channel. Yan, more or less, mga 8.63 po ang pinaka-support niya. At kung yung dividend na pag-uusapan, may 15 centavo dividends. But this is just the first dividend payment, ano? Kasi last year, it gave 60 plus 24, 84, that's 84, and 84, 1 peso, 105, 114, 114 centavos, ano? Maganda magbigay ng dividend si LTG. Pero now it's just 15 centavos because it's just the first dividend payment. At kung fundamentals na po pag-usapan natin sa LTG ay, okay, tignan po natin to. Okay, LTG, tignan na lang natin to. LT Group, ano? I have a pager here from BDOSEC, high yielding value pay. This is dated March 23, so recent lang po ito. Target price is 12.90 or an implied upside of about 41%. So based on the price of 889, ay meron pong upside po ito, no? But of course, some of you would shy away from this, pero magandang one of the index stocks po si Lucitan Group, ano? Ang sabi niya po dito, the recommendation is a buy with a target price of 12.90. Tobacco sustaining profits for LTG. Yan. Tobacco accounted for 86% of LTG's full year 21 earnings. At number 1 po dyan ay ang they had larger profits because of the lower effective tax rate and a favorable shift in sales mix towards the higher margin Marlboro brand. Yan. And then consumer down trading, however, was apparent as Fortune saw volumes drop 44%, and they have a new brand, Chesterfield, you know. Okay, and then meron din silang yung banks naman, yung PNB, malaki yung provisioning cost. Distilled spirits, beverage, and property report had mixed results. Yan po. 12.19 po yung kanyang target price based on research ni BDOSEC, and the implied upside is about 41%. Okay, next we have CTS. CTS, nag-debut po siya ngayon, listing date po niya. Brokerage po ito. CTS Global Equity, yan, malaki, no? So, nagkaroon siya ng gain today. But tingnan po natin ng 15-minute chart. Okay. So, nag-start po siya a jump of about 1.77 or 77%, ano? Dito, 2.8. So, it gained 11% today from a... Magkano ba ang ano nito? Check lang natin ha. Kung magkano yung kanyang IPO price. Tignan lang natin dito. 1 peso per share. Okay? 1 peso per share yung CTS. So, from that 1 peso per share, ay nag-gain po siya ng 11 centavos, but it went as high as 1 peso 19 centavos. Okay? Next, we have BPI. Okay, BPI, let's move it to 1 day. BPI just moving sideways. Actually, on the long-term side, it's still moving upwards, ano? 98.50. Tingnan natin yung target price ito. BPI, ang target price po niya based on research is 116 or about 18%. An upside of 18% based on fundamentals. Ngayon, ang pinaka resistance po ni BPI, I can see it here. Dito po sa 101, pero the 52-week high is 104. Nearest support ay makikita ko po dito sa 92 or close to the EMA 100 of 95. Pero malamang po sa 92 po ito. Yan. 92.12. Support and resistance, di po yan eksakto. These are areas, ano? Areas po yan. And then, let's do SM. Naka-recover kayo sa SM. I think naka-recover to. Okay. Naka-recover, but it's a short green candlestick. Kaya lang, downtrend pa rin po, no? Because all our three indicators, short, medium, and long term, are above our candlesticks, no? Downtrend po ang ibig sabihin yan. And yung downward movement po ng mga indicators po natin would indicate a bearish movement. 863.51 yung kanyang support and the resistance. The nearest that I can see would be here at 912. And then after SM, EMPERADOR. Surprise po si EMPERADOR dahil nagkaroon po siya ng blip dito with volume, ha? Kasi it has just been consolidating since March 21. So it was, the price was between 14 pesos, 13.50 to 14 pesos lang po. At tapos biglang umakyat, naging 17, ano? Or a 21 or almost 22% up increase. Bakit? So kung tignan po natin ang news dito ay nagkaroon po siya, tingnan natin. Press release, EMPERADOR obtains conditional eligibility to list from the Singapore Exchange. Yan. For secondary listing. Kaya nag-jump yung presyo niya. Kasi nag-jump lang siya after lunch eh. Natin, 15-minute chart. Ayan, no? 1,300 pero 11.45. Ang presyo po niya was 14 pesos. Nag-increase siya ng 3 piso just after 1 hour. So ngayon, nag-17.10 po si EMPERADOR. So tingnan natin to. Yan, ano? So from here, from the movement sideways of EMPERADOR at 13, almost 13.44 at holding at 14, ay nag-jump po siya dito, and based on fundamentals, sige, tingnan natin yung fundamentals ni EMPERADOR. EMPERADOR ay wala siyang rating. Sinuspend yung rating, hindi siya ni-rate ni BDOSEC. But anyway, the resistance is here at 2029. sorry, pwede natin lagay dito sa 1932 yung pinaka resistance niya. And please note Emperador, meron po siyang gap down. Yan. Ibig sabihin po niyan ay, since there is a gap, technical analyst would say that that gap will have to be filled sooner or later. So, abangan po natin kung kailan po ma-fill yan. Dahil right now, the price is just touching the MA100 at 17. It's higher than the MA100 1703. So, tingnan po natin sa susunod na days, no? On Monday, kung ano mangyayari dito sa stock na ito. Is the price already the price of the listing in the Singapore Exchange? Tingnan po natin yan. Mukhang na-price in na po niya here. And there has to be another catalyst like a good financial result, no, for 2021. Hindi pa po siya nagpapalabas eh. Ang last niya is for the third quarter. Wala pa po siyang fourth quarter. And then, finally, we have Converge. See, Converge, I just moving sideways, although it had a green candlestick today, and it's already under the candlestick with support. I can see it here at 2241. Resistance ay pinakamalapit po ay nandito sa 3043. The next higher resistance would be here at 32 to 33 pesos. 32.98 to 33 pesos. Yan po si Converge, and it's turning bullish already. Earnings niya, maganda naman ang earnings ni Emperador. May net income po siya ng 7.16 billion. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. April 13, Wednesday, Holy Wednesday po. Kung pupunta po kayo ng probinsya, ay siguraduhin nasa tip-top shape po ang ating sasakyan. Stay safe. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Happy long weekend. Bye for now.